The world gets louder, but your peace stays quiet. Too many voices telling us to move faster. Too many lights trying to look like purpose. Everybody chasing something that disappears by morning. And honestly, I got tired too. Tired of carrying pressure, like my soul was made for noise. And God slow my heart down, not by taking life away, but by teaching me that peace is also holy. And suddenly, things I used to worship started feeling empty, because nothing in this world holds the soul like Jesus does. Nothing hits like God's peace. Nothing calms the heart like His presence. I've seen money, attention, temporary love, but none of it stays like Jesus does. Nothing is like God's peace. Oh, God's peace stays. Oh, God's peace stays. Even after the storm. Jesus slept inside the storm while the waves were screaming. That image stayed with me, because maybe real peace is not the absence of problems. Maybe it's knowing who stays in the boat with you. And lately that truth changed the way I live. Now I don't panic the same. Even my nights feel softer now, like heaven sits quietly inside the room with me. And when the world gets heavy again, your presence keeps my soul breathing. No distraction lasts forever, but your peace reaches deeper. Nothing hits like God's peace. Oh, nothing calms the heart like His presence. Oh, I've seen money, attention, temporary love, but none of it stays like Jesus does. Nothing hits like God's peace. So stay close tonight. Let every anxious thought become quiet in your hands. Teach our heart to get the peace is found in you, not in the world. Nothing hits like God's peace. 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 Oh, nothing hits like God's peace. Nothing heals the soul like your presence. Nothing hits like God's peace. And after everything we've tried to hold on, Jesus, you are the only thing that stays. Jesus, oh, your peace stays. Jesus, Jesus.